This girl, it be like say you smoke kana. It be like say you smoke kana. What you dey do for inside here? This girl, you know they hear word though. Eh?
Toby.
What's going on here?
My guy, no vex. No vex. Not be me, oh. Not be me open gate for this girl, oh. The way she just meander enter this place. This one na forceful entry. This one na federal crime. This one na trespassing. Not be me open gate now. She just fight us. She meander enter this place.
Toby, I've been calling you and texting you. You've not been returning my calls all day. Why?
Okay, then you decide to show up in my house without telling me, without calling me.
You must be joking. You're my man. I don't need to call you before coming to your house.
Oh, you need to call me. And now that you've strolled into my house, you stroll out.
What?
Or you get bundled out.
Wow.
No entry.
Sir, Commander-in-Chief.
You know what to do.
Yes, boss.
Toby, don't touch me. Toby, don't touch me.
Come the go.
No, if you don't touch me.
Come the go your house, oh.
Toby. Ah! Toby! Ah! Toby, this is not the last of you. You will hear from me. Ah! Toby! Toby, you're doing this to me. I will drag you dirty.
You no get house to go? Go! Huh? Which kind of thing be this? if the church you come up from where you there, you don't go your house.
No
go
entry.
your papa house. Boss, chairman. Chairman, sir. Thank you, sir.
There's a VIP coming tonight.
Oh, correct, sir. Name mount. Name mount, sir. Chairman of the armed forces.
Come. You can't use this girl where I carry. The girl just behave anyhow, very violent, and I don't want to injure her.
My gosh,
I don't want to injure her.
I tell you, say, as I see that girl, I just see her eye, I see, say, all is not well at
Acting
home.
like an animal. And if I touch her now, they'll say, man is beating woman. I don't want that. So just go in there, bundle her out. And be careful because I think she has like a weapon or something.
Oga, I beg you, my life, they very important to me.
Which one is your life? They're very important. Are you not capable?
Oga, sorry, this one pass capability.
What are you saying? Did you not say you can do anything? You can do anything. You can kill anybody. You can wound anybody. Is that not you have been saying all this?
Oga, when you employ me, I tell you, say, what a man can do, a woman can do better. But even you will be man now, you know if you stand them. So who I be?
No entry. Go and remove that girl, I beg. I don't have any issues.
Oga, I don't like this kind of thing. No, I never prepare for burial. I never prepare for burial for my family. For myself. Me, not me at the talk. I never prepared to die, you. You talk say she carry weapon. Now me, you can't decide. What thing I do you?
You are strong. Go and get this woman out, I beg. Go and get her. Go and get her out.
Hey.
Just give her that your face, that your stance.
This face?
Yes. The way you are going, they will beat you. Mad girl. Like this. She just love that girl. Hey, why would you just leave? Why would you just leave our house? Why would you just leave the house? What's wrong with you?
I beg no vex. I don't follow.
How can I be
Chairman, sir. My guy at the top stop, sir. Good morning, sir.
No entry.
Sir.
Morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good to go, sir. Sir, during my morning prep routine for the day, will I be rolling out any red carpet for VIP or casual today, sir?
None for now.
Sure, sir. All correct, sir. Eh, he said na none for now. This my oga. This my oga self. None for now, meaning say one girl still fit fall in today. This my oga no dey knock anything less than 3 girls a week. When they see the power self. Eh? All those people where they do herbal medicine for waste. Now him they supposed to use do advert to. They can do influencer. Hey, Monday.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. It's Sarah, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for accepting to meet with me.
Pleasure's all mine.
Yes.
You have my attention now.
Oh, great. My name is Sarah. I work with a pro logistics company. We heard that your product is high in demand and would love to be officially your distributor across the...
What you saying to me now, you said it to me over the phone, right? And that's the document.
Yes. Sir.
Do you have like a hard copy?
Yeah, sure, definitely. I do. Yes, sir.
Well, I will go over it with my lawyer. If you miss what we want, I'll give you a call.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for this, and I look forward to a favorable response from you. Thank you once again.
What are you doing later this evening?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're young, you're beautiful. I want to take you out.
I'm so sorry. I don't mix business with pleasure.
I want to mix it.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not that kind of girl.
What does it take to make you that kind of girl?
You're stubborn.
I've been told.
Beati.
My name is Beatrice. Please open the gate.
Sorry, no entry for you.
I don't understand why.
Oga don't tell you before, so make you the call before you come here. And he sure me that say you no call him.
Toby is my man. I don't need to call him to be here. Open the gate for me.
That's not my man. Yeah, justice for the singles. Nah, I obey the last command. If Oga tell me, say, make an open gate, I go open gate for you. What did they do?
What's it now? Are you okay, this woman? Open this gate.
Yeah. No insult me, because I know be your mate. I know be me, they do you.
You've grown guts, like you've grown guts, you've grown wings. You now insult me.
Beati, be like say you chop winch. See, that's a chain where you dey take hold yourself for house. Hold yourself, hold yourself, because if I change them for you, you no go like them. Come on, leave that.
Just let me call Toby on the phone. It's ringing.
You never pick?
Hold on, let him pick this call. You will lose your job.
Hey Google, be careful, now express you dey go. Hey Google, be careful, now express you dey go. Hey Google, be careful.
You will lose your
Express you
job.
dey go. Hey Google, be
call. You will
careful,
lose your
now
job.
express. Hey. You see the column? He never pick. Hey!
No need to open this gate.
Hey Google, be careful, now express you dey go. Hey Google, be careful. See, I done my office. When they pick your call, I go come out.
No entry.
Hey Google, be careful, now no be your turn today. Your turn don't pass. Atacha again happen haka hatan dey ozo. Hey Google, be careful, now express you dey go.
Come on, open this gate.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Will that be all?
For now, but wait. Are you new here? Because I haven't seen you before.
Yes, sir. I just resumed work today.
Wow. This is a good place to work.
Absolutely.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
And you have a beautiful smile. Hmm?
Thank you.
And the dentition that goes with that smile is catchy. What's the beautiful name that goes with this beautiful face?
I'm so sorry. I have to get back to work. Thank you, sir.
I come here often. You definitely get to see more of me.
This girl, it be like say you smoke kana. It be like say you smoke kana. What you dey do for inside here? This girl, you know they hear word o. Eh?
Toby!
What's going on here?
My oga, no vex. No vex. No be me o. No be me open gate for this girl o. The way she just meander enter this place. This one na forceful entry. This one na federal crime. This one na trespassing. No be me open gate now. She just find us. She meander enter this place.
Toby, I've been calling you and texting you. You've not been returning my calls all day. Why?
Okay, then you decide to show up in my house without telling me, without calling me.
You must be joking. You're my man. I don't need to call you before coming to your house.
You need to call me. And now that you've strolled into my house, you stroll out.
What?
Or you get bundled out.
Wow.
No entry.
Sir, Commander-in-Chief.
You know what to do.
Yes, boss.
Toby! Don't touch me. Toby! Don't touch me.
Come the go.
No, don't touch me.
Come the go your house, oh.
Toby! Ah! Toby! Ah! Toby, this is not the last of you. You will hear from me. Ah! Toby! Toby, you're doing this to me. I will drag you dirty.
You no get house to go? Go! Huh? Which kind thing be this? if the church you come out from where you there, you don't go your house.
No
go your
entry.
papa house. Boss, chairman. Chairman, sir. Thank you, sir.
There's a VIP coming tonight.
Oh, correct, sir. Men mount. Men mount, sir. Chairman of the armed forces. I'm lawyer. Hey. Hey. Now food show me that you. This guy don't come out power from my body. Hey.
Hi, babe. You're finally down.
Hey, what's going on?
I made you breakfast.
Why?
Why? I can't make breakfast for you again.
You're here to spend time with me. I don't need you doing this for me. Hmm?
Why?
Okay. Just focus on spending time with me this weekend, okay? You see, going into my kitchen, doing all of this, I don't appreciate it. You're not my girlfriend.
Baby, why you know they like stay for your hostel every time? Eh?
No entry. I'm in my finals and we don't have much things we're doing in school.
But at least you for the call now. You for call when you won't come house so that your papa go call carry you.
I'm not a kid anymore. I'm 16. I know my way around.
Sorry, old woman. I know, say you don't old, but you for still call.
You wanted me to call him so that he can hide his girls.
Eh?
Isn't it? Eh?
Hey.
You wanted me to tell him so I won't meet one of his numerous girlfriends.
Chinekenna. This word don't spoil you. No small picking again. People were supposed to be small picking, they talk like old people. Ah. Oh.
Or is anyone in here?
Nobody. Oh. Nobody there here.
That means there is no food in this house. Because I notice whenever he's having a visitor, that is when he stocks up the house.
You don't know your papa finish.
Indeed.
Hey, Chineke.
When are you going to make that ohas for me?
This girl, you don't talk true. So now because of food, you run from school, they come house. Eh? You don't go stay, they chop your school food. This girl. Yeah? How much you go pay me if you won't make her leave my gates? Go cook that soup now.
How much do you want?
Are they cost or are they expensive?
Try me.
Hey, Chineke. Because go inside, come go. Make we go kitchen. Now you go cut out the vegetable and everything where we go use cook up.
As long as you're going to make it, no problem.
What? She didn't tell me she was coming. This girl is so stubborn.
Oga, you supposed to make sure say none of those your babe come house today. Oh. Now where baby don't reach here. You no go good.
Are you joking? They need to tell me that one. I got that covered, don't worry. I'll see you soon. This child of mine.
Yeah? I hope say you dey watch. Oh. I hope say you dey watch, you dey learn as you go dey cook am by yourself.
I'm learning, but this food looks hard to make, very hard.
What is hard for here? This is one of the easiest soup to cook. Nothing hard there.
I don't think so. It looks delicious, but yeah, it's hard to make.
See about it's delicious. I had to make. It is sweet you, but you know one put in the effort to make them. Look, now you go come they cook for your papa. Now you go they cook for them. As you don't talk, say you no be picking again.
I'm not a kid anymore. I'm a big girl.
I know they drag them with you. Big girl doing big things. Big girl cooking big soup. Now you go cook them. As no big girl. Where? Yes. What? This time. You dey feel am?
Perfect.
Now my logo be that.
Hi. This woman, you dey cook. You dey cook waiting no good. You're supposed to own a restaurant.
Chineke, who dey teach you pidgin English?
You don't want to know.
Hey, this girl, you not spoil finish. Wait. Oh.
Child of mine. Daughter of mine.
Daddy.
What are you doing at home? Why didn't you tell me you're coming? Why didn't you call me?
Why do I need to call you when you've already appointed a cab driver to bring me back home?
I gave you that for emergency. Now you're abusing it. Huh?
Oh God. This is what I get anytime I try to surprise my father.
I'm surprised, but not pleasantly. Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
What did you eat?
I had my favorite, oha soup. I and no entry made it in the kitchen together.
Okay. You keep some for me?
Of course.
That's cool though.
School is fine. No entry.
Better picking.
I'm back.
So, the boy, you like him?
No.
Yeah. Your mouth they talk one thing, your face they talk another thing. You like him?
I don't. I mean, he's good looking, right? But I see him with so many girls.
Oh. Really?
I don't trust him. Because I feel like the same way he's telling me he likes me could be the same way he's also telling other girls too.
Chai.
So.
Chai, okay. If na me, I go just tell you, say, make you free that boy. Free man matter for now. Because na so sweet talk, they fool their mouth. When then they find what that they find. That's how them take deceive me when I be your age. Oh, that boy follow me up with something bad. Aye, one catch from macho. That boy chase me like a speeding bullet. Superman no speed reach this boy when they chase me. Now so that one just they tell me every time. Yeah, the apple in my eye, yeah, the sugar in my tea. No sweet thing where remains more make I get diabetes for all the sweet thing where this boy they tell me that time. Hey, if I see am, my mind go to do pitiki. My belly go already rub because of all the things where this boy they tell me. Immediately belly enter. Bakam, as I just get belly like this. Ben Johnson. I say, Usain Bolt never see the kind speed the way that boy take run.
Jeez.
Leave me with the belly. That's so as I did so.
Can never trust me.
Yeah. See, if you leave me, what I go tell you. Free them. Leave them. Just leave man. They're not they run anywhere. Then they go everly they there. He get a time where go reach. Now you go sit down. They choose. Now this man I want. Now this man I want. That time go they rush you now. I want to find girl now. Sweetie papa. Learn again.
Stop it
Who's
now.
back? Learn yeah.
I'm shy.
You, this old woman, when they pretend, they pretend like say you be picking. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Please, you asked for the bill.
Oh, yes.
It's for 6,500.
I see you work here on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays.
Yes, sir.
CC.
How do you know my name?
I heard your manager calling you. It's a beautiful name, by the way.
Your card, sir.
$4519. That's my pin.
Daddy,
Hmm?
please, I would like to discuss something with you.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What's that?
Is this? Let's sit.
You don't have to sit. Okay. Hope everything is okay. Oh. No issues at school or anything.
Not at all, Dad.
Okay.
Daddy,
Hmm?
why do you like women so much?
Ah.
Sometimes I feel like you want to replace King Solomon in the Bible.
Hey. Wait, so is this how you see me?
Actually, I see you as a man who extremely likes women.
Okay, so this is because of that girl that I was talking to. She's my friend, though. Yeah, we're cool. We're cool, cordial and cool.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem so. She's your friend and she's ignoring you.
She was not ignoring me now. That's how we just, I just try to not make it serious.
Daddy, I think you should get married.
Hey.
Yes, get married. I know you've been putting me into consideration this past few years, but I'm not a kid anymore. I can take care of myself. So get married.
Yes, ma. As your lordship pleases. Is there any other thing you want to discuss with me?
Nothing for now.
Okay. Ma, these things, take them to the kitchen. Now. As she gets married. That is small girl. Eh? Telling me what to do. In our own days, could you talk to your child or your father like that? Hey, let's marry. So tell me, what exactly do you think about it?
I honestly don't see anything exceptional that they are offering. This is no different from what our current partners already offer.
Right?
Yes. And I believe the reason they sent a female representative was for an ulterior motive. Because this isn't good enough.
Right?
Yes. I will advise not to proceed.
Right. Okay, that's fine. I would get back to them. I'll let them know. I sent you another document. Can you look at that one?
Alright.
Thank you. Let me know what you think. Cheers. Hey, how are you, darling?
Hey.
I didn't know you were coming so soon.
It's okay. I was around the vicinity. So.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Yeah, so your proposal. So I looked it over with my lawyer and we'll be going with you guys. We'll be going with you guys.
What?
I'm saying we won't go on with you guys because there's nothing fresh about the proposal. You know what I mean? There's nothing, it doesn't give that oomph. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like if there was an angle to it or like a blue ocean strategy, then yeah, we would consider. But what we have now is like what the other partners are giving. So we won't go with it.
Really?
Yeah.
Toby, after what we shared?
I'm sorry, what did we share? Oh, the sex. Oh, come on now. You kid. There's pleasure and there's business. We don't mix the two together. Let's not do that, okay?
Wow. Toby, what are you saying? Did you just say sex? There is sex. Toby, you're a pig.
Insults. I won't tolerate that, okay? This is a professional environment. And I believe you're a professional, right? Let's not do that.
You know what? Professionalism, my ass. Damn you and your professionalism. You're a fool.
Ooh.
A pig. That's what you are.
Huh. Don't small lashing. Everybody gets lashed. It's your turn, you collect lash and you go. If business doesn't work, you move on. Oh, calm down. Yes. No entry.
Chairman.
This is Shade.
Ah.
Yeah, she'll be here for the weekend.
Oh, all correct, sir. You're welcome, ma.
Just go upstairs, okay? The first door by your left. Alright? Go on. Shade. Hey, see ya.
Ha, Oga. This one no follow. What do you carry come house like this? Now wrestler you carry come house.
It's not time for jokes. Every time it's not jokes.
It's every time it's not joke. My hand don't go so. You know here the bone. You know here's the bone. Do back.
It's not time for jokes. I beg. This girl, pure, clean girl.
Where you from, Siam? Because that girl, waiting I see for her eye, no be normal person eye. Yo.
What are you saying?
That the person, I'm not too sure. As who in be.
Anyway,
Okay.
me, I'm going upstairs. Okay?
See, Oga. I dey see danger ahead, oh.
Hey, if you see danger, you come and save me.
Hey.
What are you here for?
It be like say you get too much of faith for me,
Going
oh.
upstairs.
You they too believe in me. Me self no believe in myself, reach like that. Hi, how will girl find girl like this who her hand go be like sandpaper? Now. One day this oga go just carry man come house, he no go know until he off light won't start. Hi. Where?
Hey, baby. How are you? Yeah, sure. I miss you too. You miss daddy, don't you? Huh? What? No. I'm free today. You just like doing nasty stuff. Okay, you know what? I'll pick you up by 6. Alright, see you. I'll pick you at 6. Alright, bye. Hey, Sherry. Sherry, wake up. Sherry, are you awake?
Not now.
You seem like a very deep sleeper.
I'll be small work we do.
Anyway, something just came up. Oh, I think you have to go.
You can go and do what came up. I will be here and wait for you.
You're sleep talking. Wake up. I'm saying something came up. You have to go.
You can go and do it. I'll wait for you. Am I wrong?
I don't understand. You want to wait in my house?
It's weekend. We agreed now.
I agreed with you, and I'm the one disagreeing with you now. You can't wait in my house.
What is wrong with you now? Is that why you woke me up?
Yeah, so you can start getting ready to go.
I am not going anywhere. It's not yet. The weekend is not over. Agreement is an agreement. This sweet thing, I want me to go.
Okay, wait, hold on. I don't know why you're sounding like that. That's probably the work that's calling me now, but I said weekend, and I said no more. I have stuff to do, so you have to go. You can't do weekend anymore. You need to go.
See, babe, this thing is too sweet for me to leave it. I'll wait for you. You can go and do whatever.
Okay, Shadi, listen. You have to go. Huh?
I cannot go anywhere. You said weekend, I will stay and wait.
It's my house. I'm the one that makes the rules. You can't tell me you can't go. You have to go.
And it's my time. You cannot waste my time and bring me here and tell me to go. I've made plans for the weekend.
I'll make the plans now. I said you can't wait here for the whole weekend. I'm telling you something quietly and you're just behaving in me.
I said I am not going anywhere. We said weekend. I will stay here to the end of the weekend. Period.
I don't understand. Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? Or is it because I'm smiling and sitting down with you? My friend, get up and leave my house, I beg.
Something they worry you for head. See, this guy won't wake the way they my head though. Now me you they open eye for. And they calm down, they talk to you like soft girl. You want the open eye for me? Jay, if you touch me for a year, I go chook hand for your eye. See this one, oh. If they mad, we talk weekend, I go there here until weekend finish. And anytime I need this thing, you go give me. I no disturb my sleep again. I know they like. See this one, oh. If they open eye, go chook hand for your eye. Try me. Did I say go even come give me another round from back?
No entry. No entry.
Mother!
Come. You can't use this girl we are carrying. The girl just behave anyhow, very violent, and I don't want to injure her.
My gosh,
I don't want to injure her.
I tell you, say, as I see that girl, I just see her eye, I see, say, all is not well at
acting
home.
like an animal. And if I touch her now, they'll say, man is beating woman. I don't want that. So just go in there, bundle her out. And be careful because I think she has like a weapon or something.
Oga, I beg you, my life, they very, 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 very important to me.
Which one is your life? They're very important. Are you not capable?
Oga, sorry, this one pass capability.
What are you saying? Did you not say you can do anything? You can do anything. You can kill anybody. You can wound anybody. Is that not you have been saying all this?
Oga, when you employ me, I tell you, say, what a man can do, a woman can do better. But even you will be man now, you know if you stand them. So who I be?
No entry. Go and remove that girl, I beg. I don't have any issues with
Oga, I don't like this kind of thing. No, I never prepare for burial. I never prepare for burial for my family.
I didn't say you should kill her.
Me, I not me at the talk. I never prepared to die, you. You talk say she carry weapon. Now me, you call they said. Waiting I do you.
You are strong. Go and get this woman out, I beg. Go and get her out.
Hey.
Just give her that your face, that your stance.
This face?
Yes. The way you are going, they will beat you. Mad girl. Like this. She just love that girl. Why would you just
I dey on my own, you can't even come this house. So now me go talk when I go come out. So they worry you for head. If you come close to me, if I don't choke you with this knife, no be me.
Auntie, I beg no vex. Auntie, you see as I dey talk to you, small man. No follow you shout oh. I no follow you quarrel. If a man bring you come in house, the man no want do again. You supposed to go now.
I don't understand.
I no shout for you.
Say, it be like say this your color, you know like am. If I use this thing design you.
I beg no vex.
No, let me tell you, I just want to apply force on you.
Okay,
I don't want to apply force on you. Don't test me.
See this
okay,
one.
Mokwanya.
Do your worst, Toby.
I beg no do.
I will test you. In fact, I dare you.
Make nobody no do worse.
You go do am more.
Hey.
I dey wait for that worst.
Auntie, feel at home.
You see, which one is feel
Relax. Our casa so casa.
No entry.
Entry day. Entry day for this matter.
Get this girl out of my house.
Oh God, it's not getting nowhere. She go relax. Hey, Oga, your life no dey sweet you so. This one pass our power.
So are you saying you cannot remove this girl from this house?
The only thing we fit move for this place now, Holy Spirit, we fit move her heart. Because any physical move in a lie.
What kind of a mad girl is this?
See, now only one solution there for this problem we find ourselves. So.
Just take her out. Take her out. Take her out of here. Take her. Just let her go. Lock the gates.
Hey!
What did we carry like this?
You say now we. I no follow.
Don't ever let this kind of girl come here again.
Now if you go green now. Hey. Holy Ghost fire.
Got you a drink.
I really don't want anything. I'm good.
You probably think I poisoned them. I'm just opening it now.
I didn't say so.
What?
Did she tell you where she was going?
Yeah, she said she was going to see a sick friend.
Oh, that must be Auntie Ruth.
Yes, Auntie Ruth. You know, it's a small world. She told me that she had a daughter, but then she never mentioned that you were this beautiful and grown.
Just till I stopped by and also let her know that I'm worried. I haven't seen her in a week and that's the reason I'm here. I have to get back to work now.
Oh yeah, I would let her know that you stopped by and then I think you should visit more often. It will make her feel better. Let me drop you.
Oh, you don't have to. Thank you.
Saying hard to get, huh? I like. Maybe I should have used wine.
Okay. You
Right.
sent for me?
Yes. Your daughter came around.
No, my daughter no fit come here now. You even know she don't fit come here. You know.
Sissy now. I didn't even know she works at the restaurant where I go to eat. I didn't even know she was your daughter, by the way. Huh? See, hey, so you have such a beautiful young girl as a daughter. Huh? No entry. Good genes you have, oh. But anyway, she said she's been trying to reach you. You haven't been home in a few days. She's calling you, you're not picking. Fine girl like that, they call, you know they pick call. Why now? That's not good though. If that me, I go rush pick the call. What's wrong with you? Anyway, go home. Take the rest of the week off. Come back on Tuesday.
For waiting now. Waiting I go house they do. She be picking?
Go home. That's another. Go and spend it without your beautiful daughter.
Okay.
When you're ready, let me know. I'll drop you.
Mbao. I got Okada where they carry me. They stand by. Are they okay?
Are you sure?
For sure they worry me, sir. Thank you. See you on Tuesday, sir.
Okay. Beautiful daughter you have, though.
I warn you, Abi, I no warn you. I tell you, make you no ever come my working place. I talk this thing, Abi, I not talk.
Mommy, can you stop this? If someone should hear you talk now, they will think I committed some sort of atrocity.
You dey craze? In short, no need to ask. You dey craze? Because no day where I know they gist you, all the waka where my oga dey waka. You know they take eye see woman. I don't tell you this thing before. Still, you come house, now he don't see you.
He don't see me, so what's can happen? Now what's can happen? At the end of the day, am I not the one that will still decide if something will happen? Is he going to force me?
Oh, Onyana, what I heard negu. Bia, na me born you. Na me go tell you wetin dey happen for there. They don't swipe for that man. You know they take eyes if I'm woman. Nothing way you no go do make you no enter the pant of that person. Nothing. I dey tell you. Because Ejin Chukurioge. Whether I come home or I no come home, no ever come my working place. If that man come that place where you dey work, where you say they see you, just to attend to them. Save him, make it they go. No follow him, laugh. No give him phone number. Except you want to make her die for you.
I don't hear. You self, don't make me worried. Because if to say you pick your car, I no go come that house.
Sorry.
Sorry too.
You don't chop.
I never chop. But you don't chop.
Sissy, I see you. Sissy.
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm not on duty today.
Come on, that's not true. You work on Thursdays now.
Not this Thursday, sir.
Oh, really? Okay, maybe I should ask you, manager.
No.
Are you avoiding me?
Why should I avoid you?
That's what it seems like right now.
What do you want, sir? What would you like to eat?
Let me see. What's on the menu? Your number.
I can't give you my number, sir.
Why?
I cannot give you my number.
I just want to keep, updating you about your mom. She's a bit stubborn. That's a joke. But let me have your number now. Huh? Cece. You're safe with me, trust me. Cece, I see you. Cece, see you. Cece. Number.
Hello.
Hey, pretty.
Who's this?
It's Toby.
Oh, Good evening.
Good evening, dear. How are you?
I'm good. And you? Nothing really, just reading a book. I had a busy day. Nothing unusual.
Daddy,
Hmm?
I heard you talking and giggling over the phone last night.
Hmm.
Were you talking to
Look at you.
one of your girls now?
Are you a monitoring spirit now? Hmm?
Hmm?
I was talking to a friend. Well, I can't talk to friends anymore.
A friend? Okay, oh. Nice one.
Can you stop?
Stop what?
You're just a busybody. Busybody.
Daddy.
Busybody.
Daddy.
Busybody.
Daddy.
So how did you make this bread? What's it called?
It's called pasta bread. You like it?
Nice. Pasta bread.
Yeah. Do you want me to teach you how to,
No. It's passionate to me. I'm eating it.
No problem,
Pasta
darling.
bread.
You want more?
Yeah, I'll take more.
I'll make more for you tomorrow, not today.
So today we finish passing.
For today.
Okay. Sissy.
Good day, sir.
Hi. I got you this.
I didn't ask for this.
You didn't need to ask. It's a gift.
I'm so sorry, I cannot accept this. I'm at work.
Okay, I'll keep it for you.
You really don't have to do this. Please.
Why? It's just the thought that counts. I just thought to give you something. That's why it's called a gift. And you deserve it. Been meaning to ask you, what level of qualification do you have? I might be able to get you a better job than this one.
Are you serious?
100%.
I have an OND in marketing, but I do have plans of furthering my education.
Okay. I'll put a call through to my friend. They will set you up for an interview. Maybe on your free day. How does that sound?
I don't even know what to say.
Just keep smiling. Looks good on you.
Thank you.
Seafood okra and palu.
Seafood okra and pando. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Sissy. Always remember, I see you.
Please. I see you have a thing for calling very late.
I'm sorry, I wanted to hear your voice before I go to bed.
And why would you want to hear from me before you sleep? Hello? Are you there?
I'm here.
I see you don't have an answer for the question. Anyway, how was your day?
It was stressful. How was yours?
Same. The restaurant was very packed today.
Tell me about it.
Ah, Sisi, take who? I want Ryder give me this package. See me, I give you.
For me?
For you, yes, Sisi.
Who can't give her?
I won't take no now. You just give me, see me, I can't give you, Sisi.
You know what's going to happen?
No?
You go carry and go your side. I don't want manager see him.
My side?
Yeah,
No problem. I'll do that. Thank you.
thank you.
Hi, fine girl.
Hi. I got what you sent. Thank you, sir.
Toby is fine. Don't make me look old.
Okay, Toby. But why are you sending me these things? I mean, I heard there's a perfume here, dresses, shoe, bag, a wig, and even a spa voucher.
Okay, first off, I want you to go get pampered at a spa. You said you had a stressful day yesterday. Then secondly, I want to take you out on a date.
Is this you trying to get into my pants because it's never going to happen?
Jeez, calm down. Sex is not my problem.
So what do you want?
Will you let me take you out on a date? We can talk about it over dinner.
No entry. I think we should find a wife for my dad.
This. Hey, Obiakwa.
What's funny? Why are you laughing?
Why you won't find wife for your papa?
Because I feel like he needs it all. I think the reason why he's always bringing in women is because he's lonely.
I don't think so. I went to cause I'm that too.
So what caused it? What do you think?
See, papa, if it's Lagos girls no water, that's why just they pass through them like hurricane. Leave your papa. When he tire, he go stop.
It doesn't work that way though. It doesn't work that way.
Lecturer. Be like say this your glasses don't they deceive you, say you old. You don't be lecturer now when they tell us how they work. Leave your papa. The papa na adult, you be picking. Leave and face your book.
It's still my responsibility. You know that, right?
Hey. Oh.
Anyway, if you don't want to help me find a wife for daddy, I'll do it myself. Oh.
Happy wife finding.
Hello? Why are you calling me by this time? You know I'm at work.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I just wanted to tell you that my friend said you could come in for the interview tomorrow, since it's your free day.
I had no idea.
Reason you should be less hostile?
Sorry, you know I'm not just supposed to answer a call at work.
Not a problem. I'll forward his details to you.
Okay, thank you.
So, can we go for dinner tonight? Stop being so hard on me. At least give me a benefit of the doubt now.
Someone looks so good.
Right?
Where are you going to?
Well, your father has a date.
A date? You're going on a date?
Why are you looking so surprised?
Because I have never heard you talk about a date before.
Well, this particular person is special.
Okay then.
Thank you. You be careful now. Be careful now.
Daddy.
I'll see you, baby.
Okay then.
Your entry.
Chairman, sir. They cut out. Chairman! See as you sweet. My guy went to the airport. When I get event for office.
Oh, I'm going on a date actually.
Date.
Yeah?
Not be that romantic waka way man they carry woman way like.
Yeah, why is everybody surprised?
Why not go surprise? My guy, that will not be your style now. You self know now.
Well, change is constant.
Hey.
And this particular girl, I like her.
Hi. Oh, boss, you don't talk with this sweet me from Belena. Happy for you, sir.
Anyway, I'm going to get back home later.
Okay, sir.
So take care of BB for me and then take care of the house.
Oh, correct, sir.
Once I get back, I'll call you so you open the gate.
Sure, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
How do I look?
Malga, if you say that they give star for dressing, sir, you get 77 times 7. Hey!
Open the gate for me.
Sure, sir. Hey!
you ready to order?
What exactly do you want from me?
Why don't we eat first?
No, I really need to know.
Let's eat. Waiter!
Thank you.
I had fun.
I did too. Well, thank you for making me feel comfortable and also for respecting me.
You don't need to thank me. It's the least I could have done.
Okay, I have to go now.
Sure. Shouldn't keep a beautiful woman like you waiting outside for too long.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Okay. This is not the time to act so. Jesus Christ. I hope I have everything. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Yes. I'm not forgetting anything. Cecilia, you can do this. You can do this, Cecilia. You can do this. Okay. Okay. Relax. this. I've got this. You're used to this already.
I got the job. I got the job. ₦150,000 a month. This money big, oh.
No, it is very big. I'm so happy, honestly.
Chai. God go bless this your friend. We connect you to this work. God go bless him, oh.
Amen. Amen. At least I can start to save up now to further my education.
Yes, oh. God, thank you, oh.
I know that you're the happiest right now. I've eaten. Mom, when are you coming home?
Our latest manager.
Toby, what are you doing here so early?
It's your first day at work. Came to make sure you're going to be fine, so I'm taking you to work.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. Thank you.
Shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. No entry, everywhere and exit. Drink.
Marga, wetin dey happen now?
Drinky.
Wetin we dey celebrate like wetin? Because this one when you come in today make me just dey shock.
Can I not call you to drink?
Okay, today special. I don't understand.
But the thing is, I just thought, let me talk to someone that I trust.
Everything dey okay.
You remember that girl? That way I dress up, carry go mokomot.
That day when you dress pieces, go that date. Oh, okay, you too sweet that day.
That day, I will never forget that day. See, I like that girl though.
You mean that?
I like that girl.
Hey, I got this thing sweet me for Bella. You don't see somebody where you like this. See as you dey even talk small. Oga. What's Oga? You sure say this like when you talk, say they like am, maybe because you want enter am. You want part the Red
Why are
Sea.
you talking like this? If I want to enter somebody, you know me now. Would I dress up and be taking the person on dates?
Not true, shall no be your style.
Huh?
No be your modus operandi.
Modus operandi.
Yes, that's it. Not true. No be your style.
Yeah. Because you see, this girl, ever since I met her, I didn't even think of getting into her pants or anything. I just look at her and I feel like, let me give you the world, let me spoil you, let me protect you.
See bars. Oh God, they drop bars. You got the spit bars. You just the my God. Hey, who be this girl when I scatter my God head? Hey, you don't love up, oh. Who be this girl? Eh? I beg, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Eh? Say you don't get person when we say you know just they think of how to tear her clothes. Eh? I'm happy well, oh. Eh? You don't tell them how you feel.
I've not told her. But I'll tell her. But the problem now is...
Why you they look my face like that? I been me be the girl. Holy Ghost fire. Now me still the look, oh. Maga. Oga. Hey. Everything they alright?
Yeah. Everything is... I'll tell her.
Better make you tell them or make everybody know where they stand. To avoid problem. Can you look one? Don't they look me again, Jesus. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. It's going to be this. I jump and pass. Hey, how can you look? How can you look?
I'll make you smile again. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. You are the one my heart beats for. I am down for better or worse. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you are the one my heart beats for. I am down for better or worse. You got me singing love songs. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I'm falling so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. Yeah. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I'm falling so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. You got me thinking of you. I I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. Yeah. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever.
I have to run for my life too. Honestly, I'm having such a good time.
I'm glad you are.
Thank you.
It was the first time ever that a girl will make me feel this way. Like, I'm not even I'm not trying to get physical, trying to get into her pants. It's not one bam vibe, you know? It's the first time ever. I promise. I feel such a deep emotional connection. And I just wish that this could be more than what it is now. But I know your mom will not approve. Obviously, because I won't blame her. She's saying so many stuff, but you're changing me a lot. And I wish this will not stop.
You got me singing love songs.
Now we go home.
Me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. Yeah. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. Yeah. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you.
Malga? Oga?
Hey, no entry.
Everything dey alright?
Yeah, I was just lost in thoughts.
Malga. You know, say if you tell me anything, anything where they worry you, just tell me. Nothing where you won't tell me where won't shock me. No be today where you should get pattern. Abi you lost money, then scam you. Because for some days now, you just dey dull one kind, like say you dey your period. Eh?
No, Entry, don't worry about me. I'm good. Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
I be just can't tell you, say, I don't dey go house. I won't cut out.
Let me give you some money.
Christmas reach, nobody tell me. Sir, money for waiting now, no need them.
Don't go to. You don't need money.
I beg, don't listen to me. I be just dey try form humility. I need them who don't need money. Even that go to self. See, make I tell you. The only reason why I go take this money from you now, because as you won't give me the money, I see say you begin smile. So I just dey do public service. Now why I go take her? But I guess, chairman,
You're not serious.
I dey loyal to your government.
I've sent you some money.
God go bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Make I go. Thank you, sir.
Let me know when you get home.
I go tell you. Try chop, oh.
I will.
Mom. So, there's this guy I have been talking to, hanging out with, actually.
You mean him?
Yes, Mom, and he's been so nice to me.
Hey! Cecilia, you don't get boyfriend.
Mommy,
At last.
he's not my boyfriend yet. Anyway, he's the one who helped me get this job I'm currently doing.
Chai. Na nice man, no?
Yes, he's very nice.
Chai.
He recently told me he likes me. I've been pushing him off for weeks. But I think I like him too.
But you say na nice man now.
Yeah, he's very nice, especially to me.
So what can be the problem? All of una go they do like say you still be small picking. Now 28 years you be. You know be small picking.
Like I said, I like him too. But the problem is you.
Me quoi? Lekwa accusation.
You won't like him.
Why I not go like him? What did he do me?
His name is Toby, your boss.
Is it?
Mom, please. Just take it easy.
Cecilia, you dey crazy?
Mommy, listen, Mommy, wait. I know you have your reservations. I know how you think about him, but Mommy, he's a changed man. He respects me. He treats me with so much regard.
You dey mad? Upon all the warning where I give you, you still go to follow that shower man?
I didn't plan it. It just happened.
Cecilia, I forbid you. Cecilia, I forbid you! Except to not be me born you. Except to not be you suck this breast. Cecilia, I forbid you. And if you try Makatuku, I got disown you. Try me! Just try me!
Mommy, please now, Mommy!
Hey.
You called?
Yeah, just came to check up on you. See how you're doing.
Toby, you cannot keep coming here because you got me a job.
Well, okay. I thought we were cool. What changed?
A lot has changed. My mother does not want us to be together. So this has to stop.
She knows. Let me ask you. What do you think about me? Do you want to be with me?
Look, what I think or feel does not matter. I love my mother so much and I cannot disobey her.
Let me talk to her.
No. Please. Just stay away. That's all we want. Please. Please.
Sissy. Entry. Brought us drinks.
Sir, I don't want drinks.
Okay. It's wine, no?
Thank you. Okay, you've been talk say you won't tell me something. If you feel talk and quick because I did do something before.
Okay, yes, I would. I'll be quick. I just started thinking to myself, me and you, we've been working together now for more than 6 years. How time flies. And it's been good. I mean, we've had our rough days, we've had our good days, but in general, it's been good. And if I look at it, you are almost like family now. I can even call you my best friend because, you are always there. Even on those days that things are really bad, if we want to call it that, but let's put all of that aside because I'm a changed person now. And that's why when I met your daughter,
Oga, I take God beg you. I won't respect you. I did try. I won't respect you. And I know won't make our relationship where we don't get for how many years, make it spoil.
It will spoil.
But you see anything where concern my daughter, just clean your mouth. Clean your mouth, come out and leave from your mother, beg.
Okay.
I beg, no just shook hand for that place.
No, actually, you're not letting me land. That's the problem. I care about your daughter.
Care for another person, Oga. Carry another woman, give him the care. Leave my pikin. Please. That pikin na the only thing I get for this life. And no fit open eye, they watch, make her life spoil.
Her life cannot spoil. Listen to me.
Oga, no gree.
I'm not trying to sleep.
I no gree. E no fit work.
Maybe if you just let
me. E no fit work.
Actually, listen, let me.
E no fit work. Oh.
You're not
letting. E no fit work.
Because you're
not. E no fit work. With respect. Good afternoon, sir.
No entry. Good afternoon. Can we talk?
Oga, if what you want to talk now about to date my pikin, forget am and no gree.
Wait, listen, hear me out now. See, I love your daughter.
Oga, na lie! Na lie! One couple love no fit date this your Lumoro cat for any woman. No be you where I know again.
I have changed. I love her.
Oga, see, you see this thing now where they talk, it just they vex me. I just they try respect you. How you go do this, give me this kind of thing now, Oga? As we dey here since, when we dey like brother and sister, you still look my pikin say she want the among the people where you want spoil a life.
God forbid. Let me tell you, I swear to God, this girl, I have great plans.
I resign.
Come now, stop.
I don't resign. And as I don't resign, I go fit talk to you now freely, man to man. Toby, I no agree. Instead, make my pikin date you. I go come out from here. You like say, as you dey see me every day, you don't dey turn to see finish.
Wait.
How which kind nonsense be that? How you want make her dey work for gate? My pikin go dey work for your bedroom. They do walk to the wall. Walk to the walk. Which kind nonsense be that?
No, actually, wait now.
Why
are you doing like this now?
I beg, I go bite you. I go bite. No be you dey ask question. Zanan, he don't sleep with you?
No.
Or rather,
no, Mom.
He don't kiss you for mouth?
He hasn't.
I don't know why you go do me this kind of thing. Upon all this sufferness where I don't suffer for your head. I bust my life, stop everything for my life, make I face you as you be the only eye where I get. The way you won't pay me now to follow that Ashawo man, we go give you HIV within 1 week. You won't make my destiny be say I dey go under undertaker the price coffin.
Yeah, please, it hasn't gotten to this. Just calm down.
Not tell me to calm down. Here they want me wait. Not tell me to calm down. the work wey in help you get be the problem. Resign. If I see you, if I smell you near that man, I go kill myself. Come inside though. What did you do for me? Don't call me that mumu name. I said, what did you do for here?
I came to see you.
What do you want to see me for? This is my one pikin. Where I take the whole body. Now you won't scatter her life so.
No. That's why I came here to explain to you. If you just give me a chance to talk.
Waiting you won't talk from that your shower mouth now.
I know you think I'm a bad person, but I have changed. I have. And as God will have it, it's your daughter that made me change.
The reason why I no go do you, waiting is there for my mind to do you. Now because I dey try respect you as my former oga. But if you try this nonsense where you do today, come from my house again, go pour you hot water.
Wintry. Wintry, it's me.
Because you can say about if you try am next time, waiting I go do you. Come out.
Wintry, it's me.
It's you, so give me a message. Yeah, you know say my vex in the hot. You know say my vex in the hot. Come out from my house. I'm lucky say now when I did do my Bible reading, now you take enter here. Food done ready.
I am not hungry.
Why?
Nothing. I am just not hungry.
Since which time this kind of nonsense start for this house?
Mom, is it now a crime for me not to be hungry?
Hi.
What are you doing here? Why do you keep doing this? Listen, doing this will not change anything.
I brought you your favorite.
You have to stop coming to my workplace, and you also have to stop coming to my house. Look, it breaks my heart to see my mom humiliate you the way she does. Just move on. I'm sure you can find someone else to love.
I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to stop trying. I'll convince your mom, I'll talk to her, I'll do anything, but I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to give up on her.
Why? Why go this length when you don't even know if I feel the same way for you?
You don't feel the same way for me? Tell me you don't feel the same way for me now, and I'll walk here and never come back. That's why I'm gonna keep trying. Enjoy your lunch.
And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. You are the one my heart beats for. I am down for
Mommy,
better.
please, just listen to me.
Ha! Who be your mommy? Who you dey call mommy? Me and you no be age mate.
Now, you're older than me now.
No ever call me mommy for your life again.
Okay, please just sleep. Hear me out now. Let me talk to you.
What thing I won't hear from that your womanizing mouth? Eh? Yeah. See, plenty girls there. Pick one where you go spoil in life. Leave my picking for me.
See, I have good plans for Sisi. I'm telling you.
Good plan kill you there. Yeah. Shebi I want you. Say next time you come here, I go do you strong thing. Okay, roll.
Mommy.
Ipola, you first say make I cut your body, use to cook soup. Eh? Especially that part.
Good afternoon.
Cecilia.
Huh?
Where you from they come?
From work.
Which work? You don't dey lie for me, Abi? You don't dey lie for your mama? You sure say no be that man house you from the come?
Mommy, I am not coming from anywhere else rather than work. I didn't go anywhere.
I swear.
I don't understand.
Carry Bible swear say no be that man house you go.
Okay, that's enough. I don't like this. I understand that you do not like him and you don't want me with him. I have accepted that. But making me swear with the Holy Bible is what I will not do. I am not a child, for goodness sake. I'm only respecting your wishes as my mother. Please do not cross it. Please.
Bia, in a morning. Come back or this talk never do me. It never do me. I still want to talk for more. Eh? You're walking away. Eh? Which time when Cecilia begins strong face, they look me, they counter my word. Now because of that useless ashawo man. Let me call them. With most way full in body, live in body, can they enter in face. Oh look. Eh? Useless man. If I swear for him now, that in third leg go hellfire. I go just leave him body here to take care of him picking. That in place, he go hellfire. Nonsense. Spawn my picking for me. Which time my picking begin hash face, hash voice they talk to me? Is it this man that caused this whole thing? Thunder.
Dad? Are you okay?
Yeah, why?
You don't look okay.
Okay.
Come, let's sit. What's going on? I mean, you look so dull. Daddy, what happened? Talk to me.
So there's this girl that I like.
The one you went on a date with?
You remember?
Of course I do. What about her? She doesn't like you too?
No, that's not it. She's No Entry's daughter.
Oh! I guess she's against it, isn't it?
Smart girl. That's why she's not at the gate. She resigned.
Wow. She did?
Mm-hmm.
She really means business, oh.
Would you blame her? She knows my history now.
Daddy, you're a very nice man. And you're honest too. My instinct is telling me that you like her daughter. And I promise to stand by you through this.
How did you get this smart?
Daddy.
Sometimes I feel like I'm the child and you're the parent. Come here.
Daddy. Okay. You're welcome.
I'm going to work.
You don't chop?
I'm not hungry.
Biagodo. Wetin dey worry yourself?
Mommy, please. I am not in the mood for arguments this morning. Please.
We never talk finish now. Chidogodo. Look, person, where they talk. Yeah? Agbacho so I go man. Agbacho must come back. If you like, you go your work finish. Now still me, you go come meet for this house. Which time you return from school?
I came in last night.
Chai, I don't miss you.
I missed you so much. Did you cook?
Ha! No, they know they ask me that kind thing. You know, say food is a common denominator for my house. You don't get as food, no go there.
I trust you very much.
Enter.
Let me help you.
Come, make we go inside. So, small thing now. You go enter university. Come turn proper big girl.
Yes, no.
Chai. I happy very well.
Thank you. Why did you resign? Come on, talk to me. Why did you resign?
It sure me say you know. I know say your papa don't tell you.
I just wanted to hear from you.
Your papa look all the girls where they Lagos finish. Now my pikin where he say he won't spoil in life.
How do you even know this?
Baby, know they talk this kind of thing now. Me and you know your papa well. We know as they be with woman.
Yes, I am not disputing that. I know my father loves women. He moves around with women. But that doesn't mean that he doesn't genuinely like your daughter. You've been with my father for years. Have you ever seen him over any woman like this before? He couldn't even get married to my mom because he didn't love her enough to go to that extent with her. And I'm very sure that this time around, He loves your daughter. My father has never felt like this for any woman before. I'm very sure of what I'm saying.
Bibi, forget this thing. You be small pikin. You don't know what's in the talk.
I'm not a child anymore. I'm one of the top 5 students in my school.
Lele. So you don't hype yourself now, Abi?
I just wanted to tell you that I know what I am saying. Mama, I know your fears. I know she's your only child. I totally understand you. But the truth is that my dad really loves your daughter. You know you've been my mother for years. You taught me how to cook, how to clean. You've also corrected me from a lot of mistakes. Please. I want this relationship to go to the next level. Your daughter, my mother, and you, my grandmother. Please, Mama, give him the benefit of doubts. I'm begging you. Please. Please. Go.
Thank you so much for the food.
I know say food in your logo. You like it?
No entry. I know you have your doubts. And I understand. I have changed. I have. And I love your daughter. I want to be with her. I just need you to give me a chance to prove to you that I'm a changed person. And it's your daughter that changed me. Please.
What will be your plan for my pikin? You just want friend them?
No. I want to marry her if you will let me. That's what I want.
You go stop to the chase woman?
I'm done with that life. Completely.
Now my only pikin be that to handle with care.
I will make sure he does that. We'll take care of her.
You smile again. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. You are the one my heart beats for.
I know, I just want to President General, let us see.
What is going on here? What's going on here?
You said you didn't know what you wanted to eat, so we brought as many things as possible.
Wow. So, I made where you they like now. I cook for you so that the baking go strong well.
Thank you, mommy. And I made you noodles and added vegetables for the baby. I want her to be a big girl.
So Indomie they turn people together. No try am, no taste am.
No, but see, I made you white rice.
Babe.
Okay, and I barbecue the chicken.
You did?
Just
Yes.
eat them with Holy Ghost because I don't know what he can cook for here.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
When you start to dey cook better food,
Really?
Okay.
So which one you go chop?
The rice, obviously.
Ohana.
No, rice now. Then you
Oh, you
which one is after?
Wait. The baby wants something.
Okay, what is baby?
Medium done lamb chops with calamari sauce.
Hey!
Baby.
Wait, what now?
How? So all the sufferness we suffer now for nothing. Or say lamb chop with calamari sauce. Where we go begin find that one now?
It's the baby that wants.
Got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you. You got me singing love songs. Yeah. You got me thinking of you. I wish I could be with you forever and ever. 'Cause I've fallen so deeply for you.